Previously on Ready to Die.
Some people are gonna think that I'm crazy, but I don't care. All that matters to me is Isaiah.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold.
So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Chantel Marie and I'm back with another video. Yeah, so in today's video we're gonna be doing a do my hair with me. Yeah, I love watching these videos on YouTube and I'm like I gotta make my own because I feel like I like to make what I like to watch, you know. So yeah, today is excuse me. Today is January 3rd. It's Friday and I'm gonna do my hair tomorrow, but I'm gonna start it tonight and then finish it tomorrow because Sunday I got things going on and we have school Monday. We are on break right now, so yeah. Anyways, so I parted my hair, the back, this morning and I'm about to finish parting the front. So hold on, before I go too far. Okay, so what I'm doing is I am doing Boho Locs. I got this Boho Locs like 30-inch from Amazon and I was like, yeah, I already got them. What? Wait, I'm not making sense. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing Boho Locs and I don't know if I want to keep them long, if I want to add barrels to them because they're kind of long. 30 inches is really long. Barrels to 30 inches down look good. I don't really know. If I want them long, I will put them in hot water so they can be longer. But if I want barrels on them, I really don't know. But yeah, I'm about to show you how my hair looks. I look, you don't want to take off my bonnet, but I'm about to show you what I've already done, like the parts. Okay, I like my scarf. Yeah, I like it too. Ooh, damn, I have layers and layers. Anyways, so this is, ooh, looking crusty. Hold on, y'all. So this is how my hair looks. I've already parted the back. Okay. I just got the front that I just need to part the front, but I've already parted the back and everything. So yeah. I need to breathe. So we better stop parting the front and then I'm gonna do, after that I'm gonna start you know, the process. So I usually use this mirror, but I also have this mirror for my, like, I use this mirror too when I can't see the front. Yeah, so I'm done parting one side of the hair. This took me hours, y'all, and I got this left. Right now it's 12 a.m. and it's past down time. I'm watching Squid Game. Say hey to my phone.
What's up? What's up with it?
No, okay.
What?
You gonna be like, hey love, how y'all doing? Like, you know. Wait, they can't even see you. They have to see you.
They gotta see. I'm in New York.
We know you're dark, but damn, you'd have to expose yourself.
Hey, source. Man, what's up with her, man?
Say hi to my vlog. Say something nice.
You're not gonna post it.
I'm done with the front. That took me from 8 to 3. Damn. This the part. I didn't do, I don't know if y'all can see, but I didn't do too bad on these parts. Like, not too bad. And I want them full, so I try to make the front smaller than the back for some reason. I'm actually gonna go to sleep. So yeah, I'll see her in the morning. I'm gonna go to sleep for now. I'm tired. Good morning, y'all. It is the next day. It's finally Saturday, the 4th. They're all been waiting for. So yeah, it is 12 right now. I am about to start with my, I feel like I made a mistake, you know, because I have to dip the hair in hot water. I should have done that like days before, but now today it's gone. I don't know. This is the pack of the locks. It's 8 packs and in each pack has 10 locks inside. And they got me a crochet. I didn't know they was gonna get me a crochet, but yes, they did. Yeah, we are about to dip these in hot water. I have to go get the hot water from the kitchen and put it in my sink. Yeah, be back.
bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out a parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just search you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might get burned.
Y'all, this is me checking back in after hours of doing my hair. I had left in the morning. I had left and I came back. So this is how much we have left. What y'all think? Do y'all like it? And so when I was prepping the hair, I had to leave. I had to go. My brothers needed a haircut. Yeah, but I've been in the bathroom for like 3 hours now just doing the hair. And this is how much I have done. And I mostly have the front left. I'm gonna start on this one next. I'm gonna give you a little bit of a tutorial when I get to close to the front, because the back is gonna be hard for me to explain because it's really hard for me to do it from the back. But basically, if y'all can see, like, I don't like the way, I don't know, I look, you kind of don't like them. I don't know how to feel for them, but yeah, y'all. The thing is, I don't like how soft they are. Like, they're too soft. I'm used to like butterfly locks and stuff because they're hard. These ones are too soft. I don't know how to feel. Well, I'm gonna be back with y'all when I get to the front, and then I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of tutorial if y'all want it. If you don't want it, you can skip. Okay? You can skip it. So hey y'all, this is where we're at. I am done with the back. What y'all think? So don't mind like these. I'm gonna put glue. I don't have glue. I'm gonna put nail glue on it to make it like, because I'm kind of rushing. I just want to finish, and then I'm gonna worry about that another day because that does not really matter. But this is how it's looking from the back. Right, and then we're gonna start on the front now. Yeah, I've been in the bathroom for hours now, and I can't take too much breaks. Like, it's 2 a.m. right now, and I got church tomorrow. Like, so I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of a tutorial, like I said. So here's a bit of a tutorial. I'm doing these two right here.
Yeah, so the first thing we want to do is shake gel and put it on the hair to make it smooth for when we start braiding it down. And then you're going to take your lock, open it up, and put it on one of the 3 hair. So stick it in one of the 3 hair. And when you're done, you're just gonna braid it down like so. Don't forget to add gel to make it like smooth. When you get to the end, take your gel and like put it on the ends of the hair. So now we're gonna take out our kinky hair and make sure that it's not thick or it's not too thick and it's not too small. So like just like that, like a medium size ish. Now you're gonna take your crochet and put it in the middle of the braid. It kind of hurts, so be careful when you do this. And then bring out your Afro twist hair and then hook it to put it on the little hook. And when you're done, you're gonna close it up just like that. And then pull it through. Make sure that one side is longer than the other side. So yeah, for wrapping, make sure that you make it tight at the root and just wrap it in any direction that feels comfortable with you.
Shawty got that dust on, so the block is hot again. Think so when I hit it, sound like fuck a ad-lib. Gotta ask again. Then she got it tripping off another yet again. Got a nigga feeling like a sucker yet again. Close on my emotions, then I rush and let her in. Hurry up and let her in. I'ma take a bougie.
Yeah, so we are done, but I think I made a mistake. I feel like I made this one bigger than this one. I don't know if I should change it or just leave it like this because I don't really give a fuck for real. But yeah, this is how long it is. Put it all the way down. Y'all see how long it is? This is how long it is. It's real long, and my bathroom looks a mess. It's 6:20 right now in the morning. I don't know what I should do with the hair, but I'm gonna just add mousse for now. I'm gonna just add mousse in it. Right now, I don't really like them. Hey y'all. Yeah, so it is 3 days after I did the hair. Today is Wednesday the 8th, and is it the 8th? I'm pretty sure it's the 8th. And this is how my hair looks. You know, super cute. Oh, whatever. Like, I really love this hairstyle on me. Like, so here's the thing. I ended up not changing that, and I ended up not putting glue on these, which I don't really care for glue. My hair looks really, really cute, y'all. Like, my Instagram has been tired of me because I keep posting about it. All I want to say is thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for even clicking on it, like, you know. But if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe, because why not? Bring more people to the family. Anyways, so yeah, thank you. And if you like that hair and you want to do it yourself, or like you want to order this hair on Amazon, I'm gonna put the link in the description box below. And yeah, y'all, this is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, Pookies.
I got too many hoes, but they ain't you. You like to put that shit in your nose.